job. Good job. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Whew. All right. Oh, she's by the door. This is the mess she makes. Alright, let's check my email one more time here. Nope. Alright, we're gonna have to do this without it. Okay, so we got some answers. Let's turn this off. So first things first, it's confirmed that she's pregnant. I know that's not a surprise. So we found out from her surrender paperwork that she's about 2 years old. Her previous owner got her from a friend when she was just a baby kitten. So she's just had one owner, and her owner got sick and was unable to care for her, so she surrendered her to the local shelter. Alright, so what are your guesses as far as, so she's pretty petite, like she's a petite cat overall, but she has a pretty huge belly. So guess what her weight is? And think about this, Juno is 10.7 pounds. And Juno's like a pretty stocky lady. Looks like KTB's the closest that I've seen. She's 11.88 pounds. Whoa! A lot of that is pregnancy weight. I will tell you that. I was pretty shocked by that weight. So Paisley they said that she was so friendly and relaxed during her exam. She was just laying down and looking around. They loved having her in there. So we knew all of that. Her previous owner described her as a lap cat and very friendly, loved to be petted. So the vet said she's very pregnant and very far along. So the skulls showed up on the x-ray, which means that she's at least 44 days old, or not 44 days into her pregnancy. We're not able to narrow down a lot past that, but the vet said that she would predict, like, definitely within 2 weeks. But it could be any time from now until 2 weeks from now. She is close. So that is by the 22nd of February. She should give birth. All right, so here's the big reveal. How many babies? Now, I haven't seen the rads yet, so I cannot confirm this. I only have heard from the vet who counted skulls. The vet counted 5 skulls. That is more than I thought. More babies in there than I thought. So once I get them emailed to me, I will post them so you can look for yourselves and see if you agree with the vet. You'll have to count either their skulls or their spines. Her belly is a twitching. That's for sure. A lot of you, I mean, it's not for certain that it's 5. It's not a guarantee, but that's what the vet saw on the x-rays. So that should be what's expected. So 5 babies within the next 2 weeks. Could be as early as tonight, or could be the 21st, or anywhere in between. I just don't want it to be tomorrow, please, because tomorrow I have a big interview. a job interview. So I would like it to be after that, please, Missy. That's right. It won't be tomorrow. Thanks, Mitch. It's not going to be tomorrow. We're just going to declare that now. All right, Paisley? Paisley? Her whole rear end is twitching, and I'm like, are you having them right now? Paisley? Why is your rear end so twitchy? She's just looking at me. Why are you looking at my butt? I do not know if she's had a litter before. Oh, and she got combo tested and came back negative. I forgot that part. So that's good news. So because she's negative for both FIV and FELV, then her babies will be negative. I think that's what she's licking. I think they must have washed her leg or something. I think that's why she's licking that leg. No, she's definitely not dilute. If she looks dilute, it's just the lighting. She is very clearly black and orange and white. In person. Yeah, I think they might have drawn blood from her back leg. So while I was there, I got the call about Juno. Juno did great with her spay. No problems. They said it was all routine. So she'll be back tomorrow. And she'll go back in the playroom. Sometimes mom cats let their kittens nurse after they've been spayed, and sometimes they don't. So it'll be up to her whether she, growls at them or swats at them to get away or not. I'll let her decide what she wants to do. It's a small incision, so a lot of times they aren't bothered by it at all. But we'll see. And then Juno goes home next Saturday on the 13th. So I think that's all the news. All right. Robin's going to be in here tonight. She's going to split her time between next door and this room. So she'll get to meet Paisley tonight and spend some time with her. And I think that's all. Yeah, her stomach is growing rapidly. Every time I see her, I think she's doubled in size. Her belly's still pretty far off the ground though. Look at that. Paisley, what you doing? What you doing? Come here. Come here. Yeah, she hasn't pooped yet. That's your own smell. She found a treat. What do you think, Paisley? What do you think, Mama? She thinks it's snack time. Okie dokies. Hi.
You gonna take a little rest? Huh? You gonna take a little rest? Good job today. Very good job today. All right, I'll see you later. Oh boy, oh boy. She followed me to the door.